Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first of all, you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool just type the Ampere. Now tap here to install this application and wait a few seconds while this installing. Now just we can open the application. So just here pick to yes I agree. Tap to close. Here on the left down corner tap OK, and as can you see, our health of our device is good. So you can find here more information, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.